Gondor chocolatedrip production line. Multi-head programmable pouring nozzle. Precise chocolate flow coverage control. Ensure the chocolate solidifies smoothly. Stable quality and excellent demolding. Can produce various specs chocolate. Automated mass production. Adjustable drip rate. Adapt to various raw materials. Fully automatic drip production. Precise control of chocolate flow. Precise chocolate shaping. High production efficiency. Stable and consistent product quality. Related products. Finished product display. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation, precision.